Aren't you aioli?
Kind of cute though.
How do you feel about that lip balm?
Wait, can it pick it up? Yes. I'm caressing your back. Life's been good. I look a little bit like a boy right now, so I'm kind of upset that I'm seeing myself. I'm supposed to be doing ASMR. This is not ASMR-esque. Yeah, yeah, we are about to drink boba. They made me a drink and they were like, I don't know what I put in it. And I was like, okay. It just tasted like a bunch of nothing. And it was really delicious. But don't forget, Ada used to have boba experience. They worked at the one and only Onezo with homemade boba. Goodbye.
Hey guys, I'm here with my best friends. We're reunited. I'm so happy. So cute. We just had poke together and now we're gonna check out Haiti's. It's a Tuesday, so hopefully the line isn't that long because I want you guys to try it. It's really good. Hey. Can you see everything going on? Hey. Guys, I wish I had this in New York so then instead of people visiting me, they'll just watch my vlog. Guys, check my TikToks. I still have my poke. You can't see it. It's 20. This is the end of the vlog. Let's move on to Haiti. Give me a little dance. Give me a little shimmy. Oh, where's your shimmy? Oh. How fun. What's your number, Kathleen? Your number. You didn't even do my 2 steps. She's so cutie pie. Got your drink. Whoa, coconut mango boom. You also got the coconut mango boom. And I got the green grape boom. Don't.